This is my final project for Bellevue College's assessment class for my e-learning certification. This is the title of the course that I'm proposing. It fits into the field of sociology or gerontology and is an introduction to health service research and policy, and this is designed for those who are considering a major in sociology or health science learners. The big idea that I want my students to take with them 5 years down the road or longer are that new ideas are the powerful driving force behind societal change and progress, or as Eli Ginsberg stated in Health Services Research, Key to Health Policy, new ideas conceived through health service research are critical to the evaluation of national health policy. The following are my learning goals and course objectives. Course objectives are something that you need to consider in backward design, because your rubric will need to be based on them so not only you but your students can assess where they're at in the course and whether they've learned these skills or not. These are the following skills needed. They must be able to work and research on Web 2.0 and use Web 2.0 technologies, and they must have had a research design writing course. The following technologies are the technologies that they will be asked to use during the course. Each task in the weekly module is a form of assessment not only for the student, but for me, the instructor or facilitator of the class. During the midterm, I will be asking them an ill-structured problem as follows. The criteria for that midterm project is set out the way I've constructed it here. Classroom assessment techniques are absolutely necessary to clear up those areas where students are having problems. Wall wishers is a way to state what the muddiest point is on a short note, and it is anonymous, while tweet is not, but basically they answer the same thing. Self-assessing questionnaires at the end of the module keep me constantly alert. Will keep me constantly alert to the possibilities that there are problems within the course and it needs to be changed or worked on. Skype and Illuminate sessions are synchronous sessions that allow for one-on-one feedback or group feedback. CATs are a form of immediate, on-the-spot assessment to find out what your students are learning or may not understand. And the final project is another ill-structured problem, a little bit more complicated than the midterm. These are the requirements for that blog. In order for me to understand where the students are and for them to understand where they're at, I've built an assessment rubric taken from the University of Wisconsin Stout and redesigned by me. This will be a constant process since the rubric is never really finished. And finally, why assess? We cannot change the world or our educational system unless we're willing to change our teaching approaches. And as follows, formative assessment during the module helps them move from novice to expert behavior. Summative weekly helps learners remember the content, and it moves them towards self-directed learning and goal setting. They are adaptive, not routine thinkers. Thank you for your time.